Alright guys, here's a Royal Pacifica ceiling fan. That's what it has, that's what the logo it shows right here. I'll turn on the light so you can see the light right there. It says Royal Pacifica. I don't know if this is a craft made or what. If someone could tell me, that would be great. So yeah, here's the light. And it's on a fan control. The fan is on a fan control because obviously it's high ceiling you can't reach. So let's start off with high. Yeah, the blades sag. I think the blades need tightening. That's with the light off. Here's medium. This one definitely has the sure speed. I forgot to mention, it does have the sure speed. Alright, here's low. And with no light.
Congressman, it is my understanding that the Constitution does refer to the president as the commander-in-chief, but that does not equal the war starter-in-chief. What are your thoughts about what you heard from the speaker today?
Here it is with the light on.
Well, first, the Constitution gives the Congress the right to declare war. And the War Powers Resolution Act of the 1970s says that the president should come to the Congress with
And off.
exceptions, which I don't believe apply here.
I'm not gonna record the spin down time. I'll record what I can get, but I'm not gonna record the spin down time.
This episode between Iran
But yeah, there you go. There's this Royal Pacifica ceiling fan. I guess it's craft made maybe. It looks like a craft made. But obviously the light kit's not original. It's this light kit's been added. There probably wasn't a light here originally. Alright, bye.